Now we're ready to close the neck. Go ahead and take the mini cotter pin and slip it through the neck joint disc, and then lay the head upside down on your workspace. Get an 18-inch length of artificial sinew and thread it onto your 3-inch dowel needle. Okay. We're going to do a simple gather stitch. I like to make sure the nose is facing away from me, so I always start at the back. And slide your needle in on the slightly right end of the right side of the gusset, but leave a little tail. And now poke the needle back out. And go in and out all the way around till you come back towards where you started. You want to make sure that your last stitch is coming back out, right next to the original stitch where that tail's sticking out. And take your needle off. Go ahead and try to even up those tails. And then take your disc assembly and insert it into the neck. You might need to open that opening a little bit. Just kind of slip it in there. Sometimes it's a little tricky. I use that needle a lot to both open the neck a bit and then also to try to tap that disc joint down. There we go. Oh, it's still kind of sticking up a little bit. I'm going to poke it down. And now pull those ends tight to close it up. Just cinch it closed. And then tie a square knot. Right over left and left over right. There we go. Okay, now we're going to make sure that that is a very secure joint. So we're not going to just cut the threads now. What we're doing now is trimming around the cotter pin that's sticking out from its neck. Trim around carefully, so you don't want to accidentally snip those the artificial sinew tails there. And then using your 3-inch dowel needle again, we're kind of doing just a quick stitch with each tail all the way around to add strength to that neck closing. So just poke the needle in. It's kind of like a sloppy back stitch. Poke the needle in and come out behind you, and then take a stitch forward from that, go in and out, and go all the way around the cotter pin neck joint till you get back to where you started. One more. Here we go. It keeps falling off. Here we go. I'll just thread it back on this way. Okay, and now you do the same thing with the other tail, just go in the other direction. And then when we get back, now we'll do one more square knot. So that is one secure neck joint. That is not opening up. And then of course don't cut the tails right at the neck, at the knot, but bring the tails up and sink them by sticking the needle in right by the knot with one end, pull it through. Do the same with the other one, but put it on the other side. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. And now you're ready to go ahead and snip those ends. And this step is all done. There he is.